Microsoft OneNote is a very powerful and flexible electronic notebook. In OneNote you can have any number of notebooks, and those notebooks can be divided into sections. So for example, a school student might have a notebook called School Notes and divided into a section for each subject. Each of those sections can be divided into pages. For example, if I go to English, I've got a page for Macbeth and I can add new pages for other topics. In history, I've got a page for the Aztecs and one for the Incas, and just by clicking on New Page I can once again add a new page for another topic. There's other things that we can do with Notebook. We can change the look. For example, this page is blank in terms of the look. It's like a blank white sheet of paper. But if I go to View and Rule Lines, I can add lines to it. They might be ruled lines like this, or wider spaced ruled lines, or I might want graph paper. So once again, it's extremely flexible in how it can be set up. Another great feature of OneNote is how well we can search using OneNote. Now imagine how many notes could be put in this in all of the subject areas. It might be a little bit hard to find something, but no, if we click in the search box and type, for example, the Incas, press enter and it goes straight to that page for me. I'll show one other great feature of OneNote, how easy it is to add a new section. Just click on the button there and type, for example, a new subject, economics. And we can name the first page by clicking in this box. And start typing notes. Or perhaps you find a good note somewhere else on the internet, and we can put that into our notebook just by going to Insert, Screen Clipping, and it will take us to that page if that's what we last visited, and we can drag out a rectangle selecting what we want, and it puts it straight into our notebook. And also it cites its source for us so we don't forget where we got it when we're building a reference list. These are just a few features of OneNote. It's a very flexible program for planning or for note taking, any of those kinds of things that we do in schools.